this lecture. So you have learned how we use the true false. But there are the different types of methods we use true false. And one of the method is Boolean expression. So let's start the video and learn about Boolean expression. So, welcome to my video. I am Saransh and let's open our VS Code now. So, after opening your VS Code, what you have to do? See, I made this is variable only. So, a Boolean expression is just like condition, it's just like condition and just adding or and in a program. For example, if you write if x, see here the x is a int number, so x equal 4. Then parent valid number else parent invalid number. So this is the condition we use. But if you write here x is bigger than 4 or x lesser than 10, print valid number. Simple program. Just write a random number in between x, in between 4 or 1 and 4. So I write 3. Enter. Valid number. Okay. Now let's write any number between let's write 6. Invalid because this is not lesser than 10. One second, it is lesser than 10. So why don't it taking something? Error time. Let's go. And lesser than 10, 2. Valid 5. Enter. 5 invalid. 3 invalid. So simply that if we used to write here just opposite lesser than 4 and greater than 10. Greater than 10. So let's write 11. Valid number and it should be lesser than 4. 3 valid number. And if I write 5 and we write 5, so valid number. 6 valid. Lesser than 4 and greater than. Something is erroring. Let's asks us, let's ask. Okay, see what it's saying. Or, okay, let's use this. Let's use this as a reference. So what I am pointing off, let's understand from here. So, they are giving. Okay, that's how it works. See, what I have written is lesser than 4 and greater than 10 in one variable. So they combine and the program get glitched. And after that glitching, every number is showing valid. And after bigger than 10, we have already written a condition that will also show us the valid number. So let's take the reference. It is showing the two variables. If the two variables are there, they will not glitch it and work smoothly as it written. So let's change like oh. Okay, now let's run our program. Oh. Okay, it's saying valid. If y is greater than 7 or y is lesser than 7. So let's make y greater than 7, 9. Now invalid number. So that's how it works. If you are comparing two or more, so if you want that, you just use it or in bracket like this. Let's now and input number and now what equal this. There are some valid numbers or from mine or something else. 4 standing line, 5 standing line, 8 standing line and 9. 9. So 4, 5, 8, 9 is a standing line. Let's get that. So let's go to our terminal. What is erroring now? Oh, so my mistake was always while you are assigning own value in the x, so what you have to do is, if you are putting a value of s, always do double quote. So see, in there's some more problem. This is my file API, so that is password.py. So let's solve it. Let's write 4. Invalid. Why it's invalid? Write 5. Invalid. 8. Invalid. Invalid. So let's don't make video much longer. Till then, bye bye. And keep coding, keep learning. And tell me in the comments what's the error, and this error will be solved in the next video, Boolean expression part 2.